Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today. So, we're going to be talking about diamond painting. So, I just recently did, well, I don't know when this video is going to come out, but at some point I've done an Amazon diamond painting haul. I am a beginner diamond painter and I have just fallen so in love with it. And I'm just so excited about all the new pretty little things that go with diamond painting and the whole activity. So I finally purchased this label stickers book from Amazon. I've seen this a lot. This is for help when you're kitting up those big diamond painting kits, which I have no plans to do really any huge diamond paintings anytime soon. I may try to do one this year. I don't know. I'm really into the small kits. I do a lot of the kids diamond painting kits because I like that immediate, gratification of I finished something and it looks cute and it's pretty and I can use it. But this is so good because it comes with all of your labels for that you could use for various diamond painting things and just labels in general. It looks like. So we've got color numbers, then we've got the color tags. The color numbers are like the best part. These would be the color numbers of the drills. And this is by Forever Young. I do have an order on the way from them that was not shipped from Amazon. It was shipped, I guess, from their China websites, and it's taking uh like 2 weeks to get to me, but that's okay. When you order this off of Amazon, you get it really quickly. So these are looks like some washi tapes that you can use to probably stick on your diamond painting canvas as like borders as your diamond painting. And then you have like your tools that you can label, your tips, your washi tapes. So whatever containers you have, you can put the sticker on so you know what's in that container. And then, oh, wait a minute. Okay. This thing is huge, y'all. This thing is huge. So I only scratched the surface here. We've got symbols. Oh, that's really helpful for the kits that have symbols instead of letters and numbers. Then we have these acetate sheets. Oh, these are really cool. I love you. I miss you. So these are random stickers that you can just use. We've got little cartoon characters. These are really neat. This thing is huge. These are on the clear sticky backings. You could use these as planner stickers. Then we've got more kind of random stickers that you can use for whatever. Arrows, just cute stickers. They've got a mixture of everything in here. Sentences. So yeah, this book can be used for creative journaling as well. These are blank writable stickers, like blank tabs that you can write on, which is also really helpful for labeling. I love these circles and squares that you can use for labeling. So yeah, this is great. In this particular haul, I ordered things that I like, accessories that I needed for diamond painting, and I did order some diamond painting kits that we'll go over. So I consider this like an accessory or a tool. And then I also ordered more of these bags. These are 12 by 12 bags. And when I travel, I like to put whatever diamond painting kits I'm taking with me in these 12 by 12s. Now, my diamond painting kits are usually small, the ones that I'm taking. I'm taking the small, easy to do kits. You can get them done in an hour or 2 hours. And then these also come with labels, which is very helpful. So I think there was, I forget how many bags there were in here. 14, 12, 16 or something. I don't know. At some point, I will have all this stuff linked in my Amazon store. I'm creating a diamond painting shopping list on there. So I will have those items listed at some point. I also purchased, what is this? This is a kit. I wanted to show this twist and pick pen. So I did not do well with Diamond Art's twist and pick pen when I first tried it. But now that I know better, I actually ordered another. I think this is a twist and pick pen. as well by Benote. But I love that this has this is the scraper to help you align your drills. I was confusing the scraper with the multiplacer at one time, but this one is the aligner, or I call it a scraper, but it's an aligner to align your drills. I really love that these have metal tips. Is this a twist? Yeah, I think this is a twist, like a twist and pick version. Yeah, there's wax in here. So when I failed at this the first time, I didn't realize that there was already wax in here. So I guess you just twist this end and it comes up. I can't. Okay, I had to put a little pressure to get this to come out, to get the wax to come up. I had to put a little pressure and twist this end, and it came up. I also ordered another diamond painting pen with the metal tips. They have a bunch of these on Amazon in different variations and colors. Looks like they gave us some purple wax. I love that they gave us a container. So this has, oh, and I love that they put like how many drills you can pick up on each of the multi-placers. So this one has a number 10. So I'm assuming you can pick up 10. You have one that you can pick up 2. You have one that you can pick up 8. So I love this. I will be traveling with this, and I will be testing to see if I like the metal tips better than the plastic, which most people say they like the metal tips better than the plastic. So that'll be fun. Okay, let's get to the diamond painting kits that I purchased. I did purchase a llama keychain kit. One of these keychains I think came apart, but these kits come with multiple keychains, and this seller didn't really provide really good tracking information. It did arrive, but I had no clue where it was, like with tracking from Amazon. So I wouldn't recommend this seller. Forgot the seller's name, but these are acrylic keychain llamas. You can see the little hole there. So I will be putting this on my diamond painting keychain that I've started with all of my keychain projects. Looks like 5 llamas of different colors. So, and then these are your drills. And these have different types of numbers from like your regular standard drill numbers. Looks like we have some drills of different shapes on here too. So not just your regular round drills. And then it also comes with the boat and the stylus. And you get all of these keychain links, which I'm not a fan of having to figure this type of stuff out, but I do love this one, that piece. So I don't really like this color of gold either, this shiny gold. So I don't really know about that, but that's the llamas. I, of course, had to get llamas at some point, and I'm glad that I have. These will be easy and quick to do and easy to travel with. I was also able to purchase some Highland cows. You guys know I've been talking a lot about the Highland cow this year and how this is going to be the year of the Highland cow being friends with the llama. These are also like acrylic keychains, and they're different versions of the Highland cow. I like some of these more than others. And it also comes with keychains and the wax and the stylus. But this one is so much better because they've already pre-kitted this kit for us, meaning it's already in bags. I don't have to separate and kit this out. It's in bags with the number and letter. So that's P. So whoever has a P would get that color. This little one, she's one of my favorites. Has a couple of P's. It's already kitted up in bags versus this one for the llamas. I'm gonna have to cut and pour these into one of my little containers to kit this up to do all the llamas because the colors are shared across the keychains. I wish that like you would get a package. I'm actually about to show you a kit that does this, where each individual keychain that comes in the kit has its own package of drills, and it's already pre-kitted for you. So I'm about to show you what that looks like. So these beer bottle openers or can openers come pre-packaged with the diamond painting canvas, which is the can opener, and its own set of drills and its own stylus and its own tray. So I'll open one just to show you what it looks like. But you basically can pop open your beer or your your freaking beer, like I said. That's what this is for. Or if you're drinking out of a glass soda, right? But I'm on the beach, I'm bringing diamond painting, I'm drinking alcohol, okay? So I love kits like this because these are useful. I'm going to immediately be able to use these and give these away. These are great gifts, great useful gifts. And this is the canvas. So when you peel this, it is sticky. Not extremely sticky, but hopefully sticky enough. And this came in the pack of 3, and I just love that each one is individually wrapped, where you could have a group activity and everybody gets their own. And you don't have to worry about sharing the drills across like you do with these. Like everyone would have to share the same drills. No, this is their own miniature project. So perfect diamond kitting, diamond painting party favors with these. Absolutely love these. I think all this and the Highland Cows came from the same seller with the no tracking. This one also came from the same seller with the no tracking. I do like that. Well, this was only a kit of 1, so it only comes with its own drills anyway. But if you're doing a party, this one would be a great idea for the letters of everyone's names. They could diamond paint their own letter. The letter I for Itiri and this pretty butterfly, little keychain loop, and you're going to see the keychain. And not many drills, which I love, but also not pre-bagged, which I don't love. So I will be using my little pill containers. Well, actually, no, because I'll just open these, pour these out one by one and do these because this will be quick. It's the same color, mostly, that blue. So this one is really nice and a really quick, fun activity. And this would be a really good party favor with everyone's letter. It'll be quick for them to do. And then I found this Hello Kitty one that I really, really love. They gave me some extra stickers to just use. And then it tells you a little bit about the seller, a family business. And it comes with these 3 characters. My Melody is my favorite. What's that other one's name? Kuromi? How do you say it? I like her too. She's cute too. But when I buy Hello Kitty things, I look for my Melody. I don't even look for Hello Kitty as much as I look for my Melody. So these are just like those paper canvases, which I love because I want to just glue the backs and put these in my journals. I can create a whole diamond painting journal with all my small canvas kits to show all my diamond painting projects. And these are the drills. So these are the shared drills across all 3 paintings. So I would probably do a mini kit of this up, like kitting this up. I do like that it comes with the stylus grip, comes with the tray and the stylus. So these are cute. Particular one gets sold out quickly. I had to grab this before it got sold out. There's not usually very many of them available when they're genuine Hello Kitty or Sanrio characters. So I don't know how available this one would be. Give you some instructions there. Looks like there's 15 colors. So that'll be fun. That's a quick travel one. And then I ordered this Diamond Dots one from Amazon. But I've noticed that ordering directly from Diamond Dots is better than ordering Diamond Dots from Amazon. Diamond Dots ships quicker and it's usually cheaper. But this is of course, a llama, and it's on a canvas. They give you a frame. You're supposed to frame your canvas. This does not apply to me. I'm not going to be framing these. Here's your instructions, and this is the canvas, little boo. And I will be using this and just gluing this in a journal when I'm done. So these are the drills, and I love that they give you a case for the wax diamond dots. So Diamond Dots is one of my favorite places to get really simple kits. They have a lot of cool like kids kits that I wouldn't even call them kids kits. I would just call them beginner friendly kits, because a person like me who loves quick projects can do them in a short amount of time and feel accomplished. I do love the packaging with the little baggies from Diamond Dots. And I think that wraps up my Amazon diamond painting haul. I do have some more stuff I plan to order from Amazon. I have some funnels that I'm going to get from there. I got some funnels from somewhere else that are in another haul. I don't think I've recorded yet, but there's some other funnels I want to get from Amazon, some bigger ones that help you, sift out your drills when you're pouring them. Let me know if you purchase diamond painting kits from Amazon and how you feel about the diamond painting kits that are available on Amazon. They have some really odd stuff like coin purses and mirrors and all types of stuff that I may eventually purchase because those are very usable items. And I love practical, usable items when it comes to diamond painting. So thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, go ahead and put some dollar signs in the comments. And I hope to see you guys real soon. Bye.